guys, this look was just like me being crazy and just wanting to live in the art of makeup. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching, but first subscribe. You know, we don't play that here. So let's get these brows done, and to do that we're using Give Me Brow by Benefit shade 6, and then we're going to define the brow a little bit with Precisely My Brow in shade 4.5. Okay, so to prime my lid, we're going in with Tarte Shape Tape, and this is a shade Light Neutral, and we're just going to blend it out with a Sigma 3D sponge. I will list all of the tools I use down below, so definitely check those out. The shadows we're going to use today are Morphe Single Shadows. This is the shade BAM, and we're going to take a Morphe M138 brush and just create a halo shape, and yeah, get it very nice and pigmented so you can blend it out at the end. That's what I've been doing with my shadows, and honestly it's been working. And then we're just gonna blend it out. This brush is from Groupon. It was just like a no-name brand, so I'm just blending it out. The next shade we're gonna go in with is I Got the Blues, and we're going to take that same brush and just deepen what we did. So, but don't blow it out as much, just keep it in the outer corners, in the crease, in the inner corner. Yeah, just like really focus on the socket of the eye, and then of course at the end we're gonna blend those two colors together. So next we're gonna take our trusty Shape Tape and we're gonna cut the crease. All you have to do is pop it in the middle, look up, and that's where you gotta cut your crease at. So that's how I do my cut creases, and it's made it so much more easy. So yeah, definitely watch how I do this because I did leave a lot of this in there. But basically that's how I do my cut creases, and it's helped me ever since. It's so much easier, like for real. We're gonna pop Stila's Glitter and Glow eyeshadow in the shade Sea Siren and pop that right over where we put that Shape Tape concealer. I'm really liking these, and honestly guys, I'm obsessed with liquid eyeshadow at the moment. And now for the super bright colors, we're going to take Suva Beauty Hydra Liner in the shade Scrunchy with a Suva Beauty brush. I'll list it down below. And we're going to create a wing, and then we're going to put that little highlight of pink over the cut crease, kind of. So it doesn't matter if you get your cut crease perfect or not, because we're going to, like, you know, make it even more prominent with this. And honestly guys, I love these Hydra liners. Like, if you like crazy makeup, please invest in some of these. And now we're going to take the Hydra liner in the shade Fanny Pack, and we're going to pop that green line up under the brow bone. And I'm using a Sigma E05 brush, which is the eyeliner brush. So yeah, list all those down below. Now we're taking Scrunchy again and popping that right up under that green, but this time we're going to go further up into the front of the brow with it. Now it's time to make this side look like this side. I did my foundation off camera and I finished half of my face to just know what I was doing so it wouldn't be all over the place. And we're going to take BAM and we're going to bronze with this color. So bronzing with the blue. Yes. And now we're just going to contour with I Got the Blues, and this brush I'm using is actually from Wish. I invested in some brushes that I really don't care about so I can like do things like this. So I definitely suggest that if you want to start like these kind of colorful crazy makeup looks. But we're also going to put that blue shade up under our lash line and call it a day. these glitter injections highlight doses. This is the shade Dr. Dew. It's like a blue. Oh my gosh, I need some more of these because these are so water resistant and so pretty that I just about died. Like in this shot, I was dying inside. I just didn't want to show it. I'm using the Sigma 3D sponge, by the way. Next, we're using this Anastasia Glow Kit, and we are going to use Orion and just highlight again. And next, we're using Hydroliner in the shade Dance Party, and I'm using my Color Switch sponge. Yeah, I didn't have any other stippling sponge, so that's what I'm using to create these little patterns on my face. Okay, so this is the mermaid jelly from Glitter Injections. This one is feeling like a mermaid, and let me just tell you, I need every single one of these. Thank you, Glitter Injections, for opening my eye sleeves because oh my gosh. And this one is Girls Just Want to Have Fins, and honestly, I am so obsessed with these. Like, this is what made me want to do this look. Thank you, Glitter Injections, for the freaking box you sent me because I am obsessed, literally obsessed with everything. Next, we're taking scrunchie again, using this Alamar beauty brush and just creating some lines on my face and my neck. And for lips, we're using this lip suede in the Love Out Loud collection. This one's called Brilliant. And we're just going to be applying this to my lips. I really like this color with this makeup look, to be honest. Oh my gosh. Again, we're taking Feeling Like a Mermaid and popping that on our lips. And this is the finished look, you guys. I'm sorry if you hear my neighbor in the background. He's like mowing or blowing, I don't know, but I really like this look. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this look. I'll see you in my next video.